What's up, peeps? So today on Cooking with K&R, we are going to do some steak and shrimp. I think it's going to come out pretty fire. But today we're going to do something a little bit different. Normally I would use the smoke grill, but as everybody knows, that bad boy went up in flames.
So apparently now you're recording without me?
I didn't realize that Ryan wanted to be in this video. She usually never wants to be in my cooking videos.
You just said, so are you ready to start recording me?
No, I said I guess we're recording this.
Here outside the RV.
By the way, we're in the middle of a moment of silence for the smoke. Wait, sorry. Okay, so lucky for us. Yeah, I know. Look, wait. Wait, you gotta see Ryan's pouty face. The smoke. Yeah, it sucks. There she is. It's good old Destiny sitting there, kind of lit up. So we're gonna get the Blue Rhino Razor griddle fired up, all seasoned. We cooked pork chops on it the other night. They were pretty fire. So today we're gonna do steak and shrimp. We're gonna see how all this comes out, and let's get this thing freaking heated up. Get this juiciness and deliciousness started. Stick around, it's gonna be delish.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading.
All right, so as we got this all prepped up, she's pretty hot and tempting.
Wow.
So with that being said, what we're doing tonight, we're gonna do some fajita action, also known as, I totally thought about fiesta. I got the Mexican fiesta in my brain.
Fajita?
Fajitas.
Wow. Because he still didn't know for sure what he was cooking.
So I picked up these Gigantor shrimps, top sirloins, and we're gonna throw some Mexican fiesta on that bad boy. And then for the shrimp, I've got some seafood blend with some Himalayan salt, and then we got a little fajita mix with red peppers, green peppers, and onions. And this will be the first time I've ever done this, so this will be interesting and entertaining for the both of us.
Yep.
So let's get this thing going. I feel like
Skizzle.
oh yeah. I wonder if I was going to be able to get them out. All right. Hold that cooking. Throw a little seafood blend over here. it's funny. We haven't opened this one yet. So it still had the cap on it. Get these all cooked up. Stick around. See how this all comes out.
What's on your head?
It's Ryan said the video is kind of dark, and she's like, "Do you have any light? Do you have any lights?"
All right, so let's check this out.
Ooh.
Lord.
I actually feel like Mike from Dry Campers now with my gizmo.
Yeah, but it's a very focused light versus overall light, so this isn't really what I had in mind.
Can you smell that? Once again, the whole wish we had the smell-o-vision going. I think it's coming out pretty good, yeah?
Yes, that looks very good. Okay, couple more minutes, peeps.
It's on!
My smart husband just said, babe, why don't you use the light on the camera or on the phone? Well, yeah.
All right, so it's been cooking for a little while.
Yep.
Are we ready for this?
Yes.
Oh, dang. Oh, snaps.
Apparently I didn't get close enough the first time, so let's ooh, look at all that.
All right, we got everything inside here. And knowing I'm gonna make a big mess, and it's gonna be all ooky all everything, I went ahead with gloves. All right. So, shake it ready. Shrimp is ready. Now, I don't know about y'all, but this looks fire. But as always, don't take my word for it. Random stranger has wandered into the house again.
Random stranger needs to eat less carbs, so we're gonna do this keto style.
In a bowl. So we're gonna put a few pieces of steak in here.
Some vegetables.
Gotta get some vegetables in there. She likes the red and green onions, or peppers, so I gotta make sure to get them in there. And of course, some shrimp.
And from here, we'll add some cheese and sour cream to it, yes?
Cheese and sour cream. And we'll get her honest opinion, and we'll go from there. Stick around. A little bit cheese. A little bit cheese. And a dollop of daisy. Yeah, no? Yeah. All right. Random stranger. So glad you popped in. Did you smell food again?
Oh, I always smell food.
Let's take a look at what you got mixed up there.
All right, so got a green pepper, some onion, some sour cream, some cheese, a piece of steak that's not being cooperative. Yeah.
Money, money, money!
Money!
So there you have it, folks. Cooking with K&R. We done knocked it out of the park. Steak and shrimp, fiesta style. I'm gonna have mine on a tortilla. That's the only way to eat it.
Carb smart.
Carb smart tortillas. Anyways, appreciate you guys. Love you. Thanks for sticking around. Remember, cooking with K&R, you'll always see the good stuff. Good stuff.